DIY episode 4. Here we go. So we came back to the DIY spot. We haven't been here in a while, and we found it in complete disarray. The ledge was completely dismantled, turned into a fire pit. The kicker, all its like supports were taken out, all the wood. There were mad beer cans everywhere. There were beer bottles, cigarette butts. So we came back to find all this because a bunch of freaking Peakton high school kids decided to come and freaking have a night here. But that's fine because we're back and we're gonna freaking just restart from the bottom. So we're building the fourth feature, which is this nice little drop-in. Help you get speed for our ledge that we're rebuilding, the pole jam that we're putting in. Nice, new and improved, more supports, you know? And the kicker we finally finished. After day one, this is the progress we got on the roll-in. As you can see, we're most of the way there. Probably need like 4 more bags, concrete. Episode 4, finally fixed everything, starting to look like a skate park again. Stay tuned for more videos.